How to like a game in Roblox Mobile. If you're using Roblox on an iPhone or Android and want to give a game a thumbs up, follow these steps. Liking a game 1. Open the Roblox app. 2. Select the game you want to like. Scroll down slightly and you'll see the number of votes, e.g. 9.2 million votes. 4. Tap the thumbs up button to like the game. Why can't I like a game? If the like button doesn't turn blue, here are 2 possible reasons. 1. You haven't played the game yet. If the game appears under recommended for you, you must join the experience first before liking it. Tap play, then immediately leave if you don't want to continue. Now go back and tap the like button. It should work. 2. Your email isn't verified. If Roblox prevents you from liking a game, you may need to verify your email. Tap more, bottom right. Settings, account info. If your email isn't verified, enter your email and complete the verification process. Once you've done these steps, you should be able to like any game on Roblox. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.